morning guys, today is day 17 of 250 and as you can see I slept at around 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock और अभी बज रहे सुबह के 8 because I have a class. I just woke up and heading towards my class. I just can't keep open my eyes, so I'll see you after the class guys. So the class is done and we had a coffee. Now we are going to our room to get ready the report because we have a final year review today. Basically in the 8th semester you get a project or you do an internship. Okay, I was doing the project thingy, so we have to make a report about that. So heading towards the room. So guys, we have set up. ठीक मैं आके कॉफ़ी पी के मतलब एक और कॉफ़ी तैयार करके I am ready with my work. So let's go and let's first finish the report work and then we will hop on to studies. So here is the project and I would like to give you a short crisp explanation of this. So basically surface morphology means the surface property of SS316L. I'm trying to keep it simple, don't go in the brief definition, okay? It's not exactly what I'm saying. So what we did is basically we took a SS316L which was manufactured by SLM. Okay, SLM is basically selective laser melting, which is a process of additive manufacturing. And after that we created two samples. One was horizontal build direction and one was vertical build direction with a different scanning speed. Getting too typical for you guys, but that's what we did. And after that we conducted 4 experiments: X-ray, digital microscopy, and 2 more which was SEM, and 1 more it was corrosion test. Okay, so these were the 4 tests we did and we compared both of them and which is better for the bioimplants. So we got the answer: 700 scanning speed with the horizontal build direction was the best for the surface property of the bioimplants. So there we go. I would like to show you some photos of SEM. It looks so cool, bhai. कितना cool है ये. Zoom करूँगा तो वैसे कर सकते हैं zoom तो. Look how cool it is. And we have a report presentation around 4 o'clock. So I'm done with this. I have to make a PPT. Not I have to make a PPT. Ishan will make a PPT because I have done my work and he's gonna do his work. And now we will be hopping on newspaper, my favorite activity to do. Many of you were asking which newspaper I read. I read the Hindu. And I just read the editorial page, which is basically at the page number 8 or 9 somewhere. It's always in the middle. Today it's at 6 and 7. So you can read the editorial and the opinion because they both are good and it helps you a lot in building your vocabulary. Also I write my word meanings, which the words I don't know the meaning, I write it. So that's it. So let's hop on to this and we'll continue with afterwards. You all know there's a roommate living rent-free, and this is a roommate who lives rent-free, sleeps on my bed, eat free food which I buy, or usually my roommate buys. The newspaper session has been done and there are some revision in the report. As we went through the checking of the report, there are some formatting errors, so we have to correct the mistakes. You are done with the report correction and now I'm heading to prepare my lunch. While I peel, I want to share something, and that is, I look so funny. Back to the thing. So one of the most important thing is your thinking, and that's very compounding thing. You know, when you think good, you keep on thinking good, and you make a progress. But when you think bad, you keep on thinking bad, which is actually not good for your health, neither mental nor physical. So my lunch is ready, and इसकी बदमाशी देख लो. Hey, that is a. Woo! Woo! So we are here at to give the presentation. 4 बजे है प्रेजेंटेशन एंड अब हो गए 3:40 अराउंड. इसके बाद शायद तक हमारा ये नंबर है. सो लेट्स गेट रेडी. हो सकेगा तो मैं रिकॉर्ड करूँगा. Now is the last presentation we are gonna give in our engineering life. It's feel awesome and overwhelming right now. Let's see how it goes. By the way.
So they are transporting the casing. It would be around.
So guys, we are done with the report presentation and we are. अरे कैसे रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. और the thing is everything which we present is confidential because ये VIT की property है. So we couldn't record anything. But yeah, we did it good. Now we came to GDN main canteen खाना खाने के लिए क्योंकि बहुत ज़ोर से भूख लगी थी. मैंने ऑर्डर किया है आलू और जीरा आलू और चपाती, और ईशान ने ऑर्डर किया है दाल और जीरा राइस. We are at my room. 6 से 8 सरल नाजिया सर की क्लास है, तो स्ट्रेट ओवर आई एम गेटिंग इनटू द क्लास. थोड़ा सा लेट हो गए हैं 10 मिनट, बट या वी गोइंग गुड. वैसे आज काफ़ी कम सोया मैंने. कल रात में सिर्फ और सिर्फ 4 घंटे सोया है. सो वी आर सर्वाइविंग ऑन 4 hours. कंटिन्यू विद द क्लास. We are going to the cafe, One Food World Cafe, जो कि VIT में काफ़ी फेमस है. इट्स नियर बाय A ब्लॉक. आज मैं तुमको ये दिखाता हूँ. हमारे ब्लॉक के जस्ट सामने ही है. ईशान कॉफ़ी पिला रहा है आज. सो द थिंग इज़ आई एम रियली टायर्ड भाई. कल रात के 3 बजे सोया, सुबह 7 बजे उठा, फिर उसके बाद क्लास गया एंड 3 बजे भी सोया नहीं था. 3 बजे आई जस्ट वेंट टू बेड. 10-15 मिनट लगता है सोने में. तो ऐसे करके वी आर लिविंग ऑन 3.5 hours ऑफ स्लीप. उसके बाद प्रेजेंटेशन, उसके बाद क्लास, और फिर उसको तैयार करना, और फिर थोड़ा पढ़ना भी. शाम हो गई. ऊपर से डाइटिंग में कुछ खाया नहीं. ऐसे ही रहती यार थोड़ी सी कॉलेज लाइफ, जीने मरने वाली. मतलब बस somehow we basically survive. मतलब इंजीनियर्स का तो ऐसा ही होता है. अब पता नहीं बाकी सब लोगों का कैसा रहता है, बट हाँ इंजीनियर्स का ऐसा ही रहता है. बस जिंदा है कैसे भी करके. और मैं फ़ोन ले जाना भूल गया था अपना पेमेंट वाला, तो फ़ोन लेने आया था रूम पे. कॉफ़ी. हमने ऑर्डर किया था कोल्ड चॉकलेट 2, और फिर मैंने पहचान वाले भैया हैं तो उनको बोला कॉफ़ी भी ऐड कर दो, तो मेरा बन गया मोका, बिकॉज मोका में कॉफ़ी और चॉकलेट दोनों होता है. बारिश हो रही है. वो है हमारा ब्लॉग, ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है तो वी कैन रीच इजीली. As we are wrapping up the video right here, and again the talk of the day, what is my motivation to do so much of work. So I will tell this slowly, I won't rush in this topic. So basically my motivation is my parents' happiness. I want to make my parents proud, and that's very simple, and that's the only thing I want in my life. I'm kind of done with the movements, I'm being honest. I had several heartbreaks. I mean, recently also I had a heartbreak. So that's tough, and having emotional damage again and again makes you a little nervous and everything. It gives you trauma and everything, guys, being honest. And it takes a lot of time to get back to the track. So I try to maintain distance from moments. But yeah, that's the personal opinion. You can do what you want, but you should always do one thing, and that is make your parents proud and happy and give them what they couldn't get due to you, because they put every penny, every efforts into you. So make sure your parents don't sacrifice anything because of you. It's your duty to fulfill and replenish every sacrifice they made. Okay, guys, so that's it. Thank you for watching me. Love you all. Love your parents. Love your family. Take care of your family. Okay, have that type of income so that you can afford your upper generation and the upcoming generation. Have that kind of income. So you have to build that, and even I am trying to make that, because it's again at night 12:30, and I'm awake from morning 7:30, and yesterday I slept at 3 o'clock, 3:30 and something. So it's kind of tiring, but it's gonna be worth it, and I just like doing it. So thank you, guys. Take care. Good night, sweet dreams. See you tomorrow. Stay focused, stay sharp on your preparations. Love you all, and bye bye.